Hello everyone, welcome to NIKRA'S Expert Learning. In this video, I would be explaining you about manufacturing of bricks second stage. That is, in the previous videos we discussed what is brick composition, comparison between brickwork and stonework, and also we have discussed the preparation of clay, that is first stage of manufacturing of bricks. If you haven't watched those videos, please go check out the video in the description below. I would be dropping the link of those videos in the description below. So coming to today's topic, manufacturing of bricks. So in this we are learning about the second stage, that is moulding. In the previous video we discussed preparation of clay, that is all these stages in this one. So coming to today's topic, moulding. First comes the hand moulding. In the hand moulding itself we are having again sub classifications called ground moulding and table moulding. Coming to the machine moulding, it is again further classified. I would be explaining you in detail. Coming to first one, hand moulding. So first let me explain you what is a mould. A brick mould may be made with seasoned wood or metal without top and bottom. So it will be having only 4 sides covering it without top and bottom. The long sides of the mould are kept projecting a little bit to act as handles for lifting the mould. So whenever we are having a mould, it will be having some handles at the edges so that we can lift this mould using that handles. Okay, the thickness of the sides of the mould shall not be less than 5 mm if of metal and not less than 10 mm if of wood. So sometimes the base of the mould is provided with a projection for providing frog in the face of bricks. So for this purpose a stock board is fixed to the bottom side of the mould. So first of all, let us learn what is frog. Frog is depression made on one or both faces of a brick. It serves 3 purposes. It acts as a key between 2 adjacent courses as the bricks are laid with the frog upward. It provides place for manufacturer name, identification or year of manufacturing of bricks. Also, it reduces the weight of the brick. So remember these 3 functions of frog. It is a very important bit question to be asked in any competitive exam. Frog is nothing but the depression made on one or both faces of a brick. It is having 3 purposes. First one, it acts as a key between 2 adjacent courses. And remember, bricks are laid with frog upward. And it provides a place for the manufacturer name, identification or any details such as year of manufacturing of bricks. Also, it reduces the brick weight. Okay. The size of the mould shall be a little large to provide due allowance for the total shrinkage of the moulded brick on drying and burning so as to get the specified size of the finished product. So we are just allowing some losses like total shrinkage upon drying and burning of bricks. So giving that allowance will be increasing the size of the mould. And first let us learn what is moulding. The process of making bricks with the help of a mould from the pugged earth is known as moulding of bricks. See, in tempering we have learned what is pug mill and what is pugged earth. Okay, from that pugged earth we are going to this moulding. So whenever we are giving perfect shape to that brick using that pugged earth, we are terming that process as moulding of bricks. Okay, coming to the first one, hand moulding. In the hand moulding, the process of making bricks with the help of a mould by manual labor is known as hand moulding. In some countries where labor is easily available, we will be going for the hand moulding. Hand moulding is done in 2 ways, ground moulding and table moulding. So the process of making bricks on the ground by manual labor is termed as ground moulding. But whereas table moulding is nothing but the process of moulding the bricks on a table by manual labor is known as table moulding. See, in hand moulding and we are having this ground moulding and table moulding. So as we know, hand moulding is nothing but with the help of a mould we are moulding the bricks by manual labor. So this hand moulding is subclassified into table moulding and ground moulding. Okay, ground moulding if it is done on ground, and if it is done on table, it is table moulding. Okay, depending upon its place we are classifying that. So generally for ground moulding, a sufficiently large area of ground is levelly smoothened, plastered with mud mortar and sprinkled with sand. So depending upon our area that is available, we will be going for this ground moulding or table moulding. In table moulding, the moulding table would be consisting of wood or iron. It is 1.02 to 2 meters long, 0.6 to 1 meter wide, 0.75 to 1 meter high. So it is smoothly finished at top and is provided with holes to accommodate accurately the bottom pins of the stock board, that is on which the bricks are laid. See, stock boards are nothing but of the that is of same size as the moulds and have projection for the frog. So the bricks are molded on the stock boards. In table moulding, during the process of moulding, the mould is placed to fit the stock board and filled with prepared earth. Sufficient quantity of earth is dashed into the mould, pressed hard, and the excess earth is removed with a strike. So a pallet board is placed in the mould and then lifted up, leaving the stock board in its place. So there are some disadvantages of this table moulding, like various articles such as table, pallet boards, page, hack barrows, etc. are required, causing inconvenience to moulders and extra expenditure to bricklayers. And also when bricks are soft, there is a possibility for little amount of distortion in shape as they are laid on their edges on the hack ground. And moulds without the bottom require well pucked stiff clay. So coming to this next one, machine moulding. Machine moulding. This method of moulding can be used with advantages when a large number of bricks are to be made at the same spot and where clay is very hard and stony. Machines used for moulding are of two types: plastic clay machines, dry clay machines. Okay, machine moulding is advantageous when a large number of bricks are to be made at the same spot. IS code specifies some specifications for drying of bricks. That is, the moulded bricks should be allowed to dry to an approximate moisture content of 5 to 7%. So, generally when the moisture content of bricks is about 5 to 7%, till that limit we have to dry the bricks. And second point, as far as possible, the moulded bricks shall be protected against rain and dampness until they are stacked inside the kiln. So, until they are burned, until they are stacked inside the kiln, they should be protected against rain and dampness as far as possible. And coming to the third point, during conveyance to the kiln, the moulded bricks shall be loaded and unloaded one at a time. So one at a time, we have to be loading the bricks and unloading the bricks. Okay? Coming to the first one, plastic clay machine. In these machines, the pucked clay is plastic state, is forced through rectangular opening of size equal to the length and breadth of the brick, are then cut out into strips of thickness of the brick with wires and frames and dried as usual. Remember here the pucked clay is in plastic state and we are forcing through the rectangular openings with size equal to the length and breadth of the brick. Initially we are just fixing the length and breadth, and whenever we are cutting we are checking the thickness of the brick. So depending upon the thickness we are cutting into strips. Okay, coming to the next one, dry clay machines. In these machines, dry clay is reduced to powder and fill dry clay into mould by the machine and are subjected to a very high pressure to form hard and well-shaped bricks. So in this, we are reducing the dry clay to the powder form and then we are moulding it into the machine, and using the high pressure, we are forming a hard and well-shaped bricks. As in machine moulding, we are going for high production of bricks. This machine moulding produces cheaper and better bricks. That is it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please like, share and comment to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Your subscription would greatly motivate me. I appreciate you watching this video, guys. Thank you.